All right, so this is the Wild Badger 4-in-1 Weed Whacker, Chainsaw, and Hedger. Just got done using it. Works fine, no issue. It's very lightweight, which I really like. This giant battery in the back here has tons of capability. We just cut down some trees, we just hedged some bushes, and did a bunch of weed whacking. Have a pretty big yard. We still have 3 bars left on our battery. Now, what I would recommend is if you're gonna get this, kind of stick with Wild Badger. Maybe if you need a lawnmower, get a Wild Badger lawnmower. If you need a bigger chainsaw, they have giant chainsaws that run on this same exact battery. So leverage that battery system and buy multiple things for Wild Badger. That's where you really start, you know, getting the value out of these things. This is really nice, I think, because for the price of a weed whacker, you also get a kind of a mini chainsaw, obviously not cutting down giant trees with that, and you get a hedger, which I think this hedger is going to be very capable, as well as a brush cutter. All right. It also comes with some extra spools. It comes with some tools, you know, if you need to basically keep this thing together. It also comes with an owner's manual. The spooling is pretty much just like a lot of other spools out there. We took it all apart, put it all back together, no issue there. You have to just be careful when you look at the spool that you wind it in the direction that it goes, but basically you just get your long string, you fold it in half, you hook it in the middle there, and you just run it around until you get it like this and you install it. So it's pretty simple device. Make sure you always keep this clean, keep this guarded up. Do not touch dirt with this chainsaw. As soon as you do that, the chain is wrecked. All right, with that, I'm out.